Welcome back everybody. Today I'm gonna share you some strategies how to just effectively study, right? How to just increase our performance in studying, right? So in this video we are going to see step-by-step explanations of the steps or the strategies that you need to implement to have a better performance in your studying, right? The first strategy is plan your time or time management, right? You have to create a study schedule that outlines when and what you will study, right? You have to allocate specific time slot for each subject or topic to ensure you just cover everything adequately, right? Strategy number 2, set clear goal, right? Setting clear goals. You have to define specific goals for each study session. Having a clear objective will help you just stay focused and motivated, right? You have to make your goal realistic and just achievable, or make your goal smart, right? Strategy number 3, create productive study environments, or create a conductive study environment. You have to just find a quiet and comfortable place to study, free from distraction, right? You have to enjoy this because there is a good lighting, maybe comfortable seating, maybe, and all the necessary study material at hand, right? You have to just fulfill before you start your reading or your studying. You have to just fulfill all the material and the situation or the environment that you need to have, right? Strategy number 4, break down the material. You have to break down the material into smaller pieces, right? Divide the material into smaller and manageable chunks. And instead of just trying to study everything at once, you have to break it down into sections, right? Chapter or topic, right? So this will make you just easier to absorb and retain information. So this is making your goal into smaller pieces just make you motivated and inspired to take action immediately, right? So this will just decrease your procrastination. Strategy number 5, prioritize important topics, or you have to prioritize the most difficult tasks, the most difficult course, the more difficult material that you need to cover, right? So you have to identify the most important and just highly used topic that are likely to be tested, right? You have to prioritize study those first, especially if you have just limited time available, right? Strategy number 6, active learning. You have to learn actively. That means you have to engage actively with the material instead of just passively reading or listening, right? Summarize important points, highlight key concepts, and ask yourself questions. This will just help you better understand and just remember the information, right? Strategy number 7, taking breaks, right? This will help you just, or it is just very important to give yourself a regular break to prevent mental fatigue or tiredness, right? Right? Take a short break, around 5 to 10 minutes every hour or so, as you just want, and the longer breaks, 50 to 30 minutes every few hours, right, as you desire. Or you can take breaks as you just wish, right? As you have to find which strategy is best or works best for you. That's your choice, but you have to take breaks. Strategy number 8, use effective study techniques, right? Using effective study techniques. That means experiment with different study techniques to find what works best for you, right? Example, just include flashcard for memorization, maybe summarizing information in your own word, maybe teaching the material to somebody else. That is, right? You have to just find what is work best for you. You have to find out. Strategy number 9, review and revise, right? You have to review and revise. That means make regular review of the previously studied material to reinforce your just reading, or understanding, right? This just can't be done daily or weekly, depending on the amount of material you are covering. You have to review and revise it, right? Strategy number 10, test yourself. That means practice with sample questions or past examples papers to test your knowledge and to identify areas that need improvement, right? Because this will help you just to become familiar with the exam format and increase your speed, right? Strategy number 11, seek clarification if you need, right? If you are just come across any difficulty or confusing concept, don't just hesitate to seek clarification from your teacher, classmate, or from online sources, right? You have to understand the material fully. That's because it's crucial for your effective studying, right? To become productive, right? Strategy number 12, take care of your well-being. That's critical, right? You have to prioritize sleep, exercise, and healthy days. Just a well-rested and nourished mind performs better, right? So make sure to take care of your overall well-being, right? Remember, everyone's study method may vary, so it's essential to find what works best for you, right? You have to experiment with different strategies. You have to adapt as needed, right? And stay determined and constant in your efforts. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.